Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you on a walking tour of some of the best beaches and streets in Thailand. I'm so excited to share this experience with you all, so make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. The crystal clear waters and soft sand are a sight to behold, and you'll get to witness it all in stunning 4 Kelvin resolution. From there, we'll travel to Krabi, where we'll take a boat ride to some of the most stunning beaches in the country. We'll explore Railay Beach, known for its towering limestone cliffs and tranquil waters.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
And we'll visit the lesser-known beaches like Tan Shai and Phra, where the natural beauty will take your breath away. Our final destination is the island of Koh Phi Phi, where we'll stroll along the streets of the charming village and relax on the picturesque beaches. The island is known for its natural beauty and laid-back atmosphere, and you'll get to experience it all on this virtual tour. So sit back, relax, and let's take a walk together through the stunning beaches and streets of Thailand. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below on your favorite part of the tour. And of course, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more virtual travel experiences like this one. Let's get started.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!